Hi friends, welcome to Option Trading ki Duniya. In this brand new episode, let me make a very quick review of today's market, that is 31st July 2024. Now before I proceed with my presentation, I want to tell my viewers that this video is for educational purpose only. So now as you can see the Nifty chart. So today Nifty traded in a very small range. So only this is the range today, and you can see if you are observing the pivot points, so 24,875 was the pivot, so it is marked in black, and Nifty was just trading above the pivot, so it was trading above, and till around 3 o'clock, so this is the 3 o'clock, it was almost touching the first resistance, that is around 24,950, and at the end of the day it slightly closed above, that is 24,979. Now Nifty is almost at a lifetime high, around 25,000, which we reached earlier. Now what should be your trading strategy for tomorrow? Maybe tomorrow by opening, Nifty may touch that psychological figure of 25,000, and by considering the global cues for tomorrow, 25,000 may be opening, and from there Nifty will either go for profit booking, or it can move still higher to 25,100, 200 level. We'll give a different view based on our open interest analysis later on. Before that, let me also go through the Nifty Bank. See, Nifty Bank also was trading similar to Nifty, but it was trading around the pivot. So this was the pivot. So it was very flat, trading around 51,500 levels, and it almost closed flat, that is 51,620. So Nifty Bank is almost stagnant at 51,500, 600 levels. So let us also see what is open interest suggesting and how you should trade for tomorrow. Now let me go to open interest. Let me log into open interest. Just hold on for a second. So I am logging into Sensible. Okay, for the open interest analysis. So now here, let me go to analysis and open interest. Let me take the open interest for Nifty first. So you can see very high. Second. So you can see here at a strike of 25,000, highest call rating is there. So highest call rating, which is suggesting that it will be a big resistance. So this is going to be a big resistance, 25,000 on Nifty, big resistance. So my suggestion is that if the market is touching 25,000 tomorrow, you can buy 25,000 P on Nifty, and you can wait for a target of 24,900, because put rating is significant only at 24,900. So that should be your view. Tomorrow is expiry. And let me also go to Banknifty. So let me clear this. Let me go to Banknifty. here. So you can go to Bank Nifty Index 24 expiry. Here you can also see open interest. Yes, Bank Nifty significant call rating. Today call rating is at 51,600, and there is significant put rating at 51,500. So all positions will be between these two levels, and today was the Bank Nifty expiry. So maximum pain is at 51,600 or 51,500 levels. So it will be in that range tomorrow. If it opens higher, you can definitely buy 51,600 put, and wait for lower levels. But there's only 100 point gap there. 51,500 there is significant. Actually, these open interest positions are for today. Let me take next week's open interest positions. Actually, today already expiry has happened, so I'll remove this open interest. Go for tomorrow. So I'll erase this. Yes, you can see 51,500 is maximum pain. So 51,500 maximum pain, and you can see 52,000 highest call rating is there. So this is going to be a resistance, and in the coming week, the region for the Bank Nifty movement is between these two, that is 51,500 on the lower and 52,000 on the higher side. So you can trade accordingly. If it reaches 52,000, you can buy put on Bank Nifty, and if it touches 51,500, you can buy call. So this is my view for tomorrow. Thank you for watching this episode. If you are not subscribed to my channel Option Trading with India, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.